Dephemerember has been a wild ride of creativity, inspiration, and, let's be honest, a few crafting catastrophes. But that's the beauty of this journey, isn't it? Mistakes happen and they're just stepping stones to something even better. Or at least something hilarious. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and join me as we laugh, learn, and maybe even cringe together. Remember, my mistakes are here for your benefit. Don't copy them. Just get inspired to make your own brand new ones. So don't forget, crafting is always better with a smile and a little bit of imperfection. Welcome to my Oh No Chronicles. It's Barbara from Vienna, Austria. That's the problem with such a long thread. Of course, that tangles much more easily than if you have shorter threads. Now, what did I do? Oh no, what happened here? And guess what? This is not working. Because now my last hole, I'm inside, so how am I going to move over? What? Luise, how do you do this? You probably have an even number of holes and I have an odd number of holes. Yep, this is not going to work. So let's just glue this. Oh, the sticker is coming off. Oh no, what? Yeah, it's sticker paper, Barbara. What did you think? So, oh no, what do we do? This is coming off. No. Okay, let's glue the sticker backing down first. Oh no, now I completely tore it. So I rolled this die through my machine 4 times just to make sure. Let's see. I am so curious. I really have no idea. Oh, nope. Oh no. This is something I did not think about. There's probably a reason why nobody else does this. Oh dear, look. It just does not want to come off. But maybe we can just snip those off. Okay, let's emboss it. So I don't know what happened, but look. It was glossy and now the middle part is matte again. Now that has never happened to me. What? I don't get it. That is super weird. So how many of you have been screaming at the screen telling me that this is complete nonsense? Oh my goodness, what a way to start off Dephemerember. Well, I guess this is me, so it was bound to happen sooner or later. So it happened sooner because obviously this was supposed to go in between the 2 cards and not on one side. What am I doing? Oh no. Look, the pearl is in here. Is that a good thing? Makes it less bulky. Let's see. Oh no, look. I just tore off one of the petals. No. Can we fix that? I think I can still glue it on. Is there ever a video where I don't mess something up? I guess that's not even what you're looking for, is it? So on top, we'll add this one, which is too narrow. Why? What? This is too small everywhere. Huh, that's not good. So that also means, what about this one now? It's also too small. What? Yeah, my frame needed to be actually 1 centimeter and it's not. Okay, we'll fix this. Oh no, I did it wrong. Wait, what? I did it completely wrong. Why didn't you tell me? This is so completely wrong. I wanted it to flip out. Can we... Do we just do this now? Oh, let's just do it this way. Totally not planned this way. Just imagine that this flips out this way. Is this still called a flip out when it flips into the book? It's a flip in. Oh dear. Has there been a single video where everything went right? I'm actually not sure. See, these are things I would not do. Oh my goodness, the spray is coming off. I guess that was to be expected. Oh no, what do we do? Okay, we'll just go with it and make sure not to put this dirty thing into the jar now. Wow. So what I wanted to say was, you've heard it in Luise's videos as well, Dephemerember is the time to experiment, because I would not do this for regular ephemera probably. Like if I was making a regular journal, I don't think I would do this. So I am really embracing the chance to experiment, because I really don't do that enough, I think. This looks so weird, and this is going to take forever to dry. Barbara, what did you do? I don't know why I always do this, because these things really take forever to dry, and I don't think I can use my heat gun for this. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I think this soft pink would actually be very cute here, but where would we put it? I just want like some splatters. I should have done that before I glued it together. Oh no! Why does this always happen? Barbara, get it together. So we still got tickets. Oh my goodness, what? This is way too long. Evangeline, why do you have such a long name? You're making my life very difficult. Do we just do Evangeline? But Gerhard is cool. I mean, actually it should have been Gerhard with an E. That would have been even better, because we have a heart here. And because, you know, she helps people. Oh, Evangeline, what did you do? And this now does not fit. No! Why? Oh no. What do we do? What do we do? Yeah, this. Oh no. Barbara, can we still lift this? Wow, this thing is really stuck down. That art glitter glue, my goodness. Wow, that is cemented on there. Oh no. Can we just squeeze it in there? I'll try one before I stamp them all, because I have the feeling I can't see it, and I'm not sure if we can actually see that it's a bug. Yeah, shoot. It's also embossing. Oh my goodness, it's embossing everything. The clouds, the rain, the flower. So none of that was dry. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Oh wow, this was really not what I had envisioned. Creativity takes courage, right? We have to just always keep that in mind. So let's see if these plants down here are also going to be embossed. Yep, they are. Look at this. Why? I can't believe that it didn't dry after such a long time. This is hilarious. Well, I wanted more interest in the background. Here we are. And we have some flying bugs. So let's fold these over. I don't remember which. Oh no, this is oh no, you know, I should have. Oh dear, these should have been put on the other way around. Maybe I can still take them off since they're stickers and I didn't use glue. Yes. Oh my goodness, that is pure luck. Because if I would have glued these down, there's no way I could have gotten these off. Oh, yay for stickers. Oh my goodness, that makes me so happy now. So please pay attention to that. So lucky. Okay, let's try this again. She'll be last. Yes. But I think this could look good. Oh, and I can use, if I'm fat, oh no, it's not great. Look. Oh, this is not what I wanted. That is very disappointing. Whoa, that was a lot. Oh no. No, no, no. This is not what it's supposed to look like. This is so nerve-wracking because I feel like I have so little control of this medium. I'm kind of freaking out inside. Oh no, that doesn't look like a heart. Oh no. Oh gosh, what is that?
Mwah, mwah.